Welcome to Signal to Alpha, your essential morning market briefing. I'm Lady Muriel, cutting through the noise to deliver what moves markets today. Let's get you your alpha before the opening bell. Here's what's moving markets this morning. We're seeing a major defense realignment with significant implications for military contractors and geopolitical positioning. Consumer spending is bifurcating sharply between mainstream and discount retailers. The technology sector faces a critical test with Nvidia earnings tonight. And we have several policy developments with direct corporate and market relevance. From legislative action on financial transparency to regulatory investigations affecting specific sectors. Let's dig into the details. Defense and foreign policy realignment. Last evening on November 18th, President Trump designated Saudi Arabia as a major non-NATO ally during a White House dinner. The Saudis committed to increasing U.S. investment from $600 billion to $1 trillion and finalized the largest arms purchase in history at $142 billion in American military equipment. This signals major contractor opportunities across the defense sector. Separately, Trump has approved CIA covert operations in Venezuela that could lay groundwork for broader military campaigns, with the USS Gerald R. Ford carrier group already deployed to the Caribbean. These foreign policy shifts carry immediate implications for defense stocks and geopolitical risk positioning. Consumer spending splits. This morning on November 19th, we're seeing diverging retail trends that signal broader economic bifurcation. Target beat on profit but badly missed on sales, with comparable sales falling 2.7%, the third straight quarterly decline, worse than the 2.1% drop analysts expected. In contrast, TJX, parent of TJ Maxx and Marshalls, crushed expectations and raised full-year guidance, suggesting consumers are trading down to off-price retailers as budgets tighten. This split is critical. Mainstream retailers are struggling while discount chains thrive, indicating real pressure on consumer discretionary spending at higher price points. Tech sector at inflection point. Stocks have fallen for 4 consecutive sessions, with all eyes on Nvidia earnings after the bell today. Can the AI leader stabilize the sector amid mounting concerns about excessive data center spending? Bitcoin is currently trading at $91,339. Apple has bucked the trend, outperforming both the Nasdaq and S&P 500 precisely because it's not viewed as an AI stock. Tonight's Nvidia results could determine whether this tech sell-off extends further. Policy and regulatory developments. The House overwhelmingly voted 427-1 to force release of Jeffrey Epstein files, signaling major legislative consensus on financial transparency and accountability. Germany unveiled major military recruitment incentives, including free driving licenses and $3,000 monthly starting salaries, reflecting broader NATO commitment shifts and defense sector positioning. These developments carry implications for corporate accountability, regulatory landscape, and investor positioning across multiple sectors. Bottom line, defense realignment signals major foreign policy shifts with contractor implications. Consumer data is splitting, with mainstream retailers struggling while discount chains thrive. Nvidia earnings tonight could determine if tech sell-off extends further. Position accordingly. That's your signal to alpha for today. Subscribe for tomorrow's essential market briefing. Trade smart, stay informed. See you at the opening bell.